this video, we will show you how to apply formatting to shapes and insert icons in PowerPoint. First, let's insert a shape, click to select a shape, click the slide, and then drag to draw the shape. On the Shape Format tab, you can click to choose a fill or gradient fill. Let's choose a fill from the color palette on the left. Let's add an outline. And let's change the weight. Let's enter text, simply start typing. Let's change the font and font size. Now let's insert an icon. Click the Icons button, and the Icons pane will be displayed on the right. Click to select the icon and click Insert. Click the circle to rotate the icon. Point to one of the corners, move outward or inward to resize the shape. Point to the middle sizing handle and drag to the right. Now the icon is facing to the left. Right click, click Copy, and right click and click Paste. Click the icon and then drag to move the icon. You can also add a fill and an outline as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.